Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our lesson today. We will study lesson 9 writing, page 54, and lesson 11 form, meaning and function, page 55. Let's start with exercise A. Find 22 words in the word search that are related to celebrations. 12 words across and 10 words down. Okay, across means like this and down like this. Okay, from top to down. Shade them with a pencil. Write the remaining letters to find a hidden message. Let's see the first word here, the word traditional. Okay, traditional, you can shade it with your pencil. The second word is fun. Number 3 is liberation. 4 is invite, meals, national, gifts, lamb, let's celebrate is the hidden word. Okay. Exercise B. Read the invitation to a graduation party. Work with a partner. Ask and answer questions with who, what, where, when, and why. Example here. Who is the graduation party for? Here the graduation party is for Ahmed. Okay. Here Ahmed Al-Faisal. Let's read the graduation. Okay, Faris.
Please join us to celebrate
Yes.
the graduation of Ahmed Al-Faisal.
Yeah. Saturday,
May
15th
at 6 p.m.
Yeah. Oasis,
Restaurant
445 Main Street.
5 Main Street.
Okay, thank you, Faris. Here we can ask like this. What was the celebration for? It was for the graduation. Who was it for? It was for Ahmed Al-Faisal. And where and when was it? Where it was on Oasis Restaurant, 445 Main Street, and it will be on Saturday, May 15th at 6 p.m. Okay, Faris and Bandar. Bandar will ask, Faris will answer. Start, Bandar.
What was the celebration for? Celebration for
The graduation of the
Graduation party. Graduation party.
party.
Okay, Faris, yes, Bandar.
yeah. Who was it for?
Ahmed Al-Faisal.
Yes. Last question, Bandar. Where?
Where and when was it?
This restaurant 400
45.
45 Main Street.
And when?
Saturday, my 50th at 6 p.m.
Okay, thank you Faris and Bandar. Decide which holiday celebration you are going to write about in exercise D. Design an invitation to invite your friend to the celebration. So the holiday celebrations are Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha and Saudi National Day. These are the three holiday celebrations. Other celebrations we may celebrate moving to a new house, having a new baby, engagements, wedding, getting out of hospital, etc. Okay, these are other celebrations which some people celebrate. Lesson 11, form, meaning and function. Must, mustn't, and should and shouldn't. Must and should are modal verbs. The form of the modal verb doesn't change according to the subject. طبعا من خصائص المودال verb اللي هي doesn't change according to the subject. يعني مع أي فاعل بتفضل زي ما هي بدون تغيير. After the modal verbs must and should, we use the base form of the main verb. Okay? Take in here for your information. Mustn't is short for must not, and shouldn't is short for should not. Okay? We use must and mustn't to talk about obligations and rules. لو بنتكلم على القوانين وأشياء إلزامية ضرورية نستخدم must. نقول لك we must follow the rules. He must stop at the traffic lights. دي ضرورة وقوانين هنا فبنستخدم must. You mustn't talk during the test. mustn't هنا ممنوع الكلام أثناء الاختبار. They mustn't park on the sidewalk. ممنوع توقف السيارة على جانب الطريق. You shouldn't use shouldn't to give suggestions and advice. لو بندي نصيحة أو بنقترح بنستخدم should أو shouldn't. For example, who should I invite to the celebration? They shouldn't eat junk food. Here, who should I invite to the celebration? We should donate to the poor. Should donate. Donate means to give money to the poor. They shouldn't spend all her money. She shouldn't spend all her money. يعني لا ينبغي عليها أنها تصرف كل الفلوس. Note here, take care to this note. Must is stronger than should. It has a more formal tone. يعني هنا بنستخدم must. لما بيكون نصيحة قوية شوية ممكن نستخدم must بدل should. Okay? It's stronger than should. Exercise A. Change the imperative to sentences with must or mustn't. Example, be kind to your neighbors. Change it to become we must be kind to our neighbors. Number 1. Do your homework tonight. I, start with I and use must or mustn't. Okay, Muhammad?
I must do my homework tonight.
Very good, Muhammad. Thank you. I must do my homework tonight. Number 2. Don't be late for class. Okay, Mukhlis?
You mustn't be late for class.
Very good, Mukhlis. Thank you. And number 3. Ask the teacher for help. Okay, Faris?
Must the teacher
You must ask. Don't forget the verb. Ask the teacher.
ask the teacher for help?
Very good, Faris. You must ask the teacher for help. Number 4. Don't sit on the desks. Students. Okay, Abdurrahman.
Mustn't sit on desks.
Yeah, student mustn't sit on the desk. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Number 5, share your toys. The children. Okay, Abdullah.
must share the toy.
Very good, Abdullah. The children must share their toys. And number 6, don't eat snacks before dinner. He mustn't eat snacks before dinner. Send the invitations today. We must send the invitations today. Last one, don't use fireworks indoors. You mustn't use fireworks indoor. Exercise B, complete the sentences with should or shouldn't and the verb in parentheses. Here, Yahya's tooth hurts. He a dentist. Use the verb see and choose one of these, should or shouldn't. Okay, Faris?
Yahya tooth hurts. He should
Yeah.
should
Should see.
dentist see.
Dentist. Yeah, very good. Thank you, Faris. Should see. Take care here. Should. L is silent. Okay. We say should. We say should. Should see. Number 2. Fatima wants to lose weight. She shouldn't eat ice cream. Shouldn't eat. Number 3. The children don't feel well. They to school today. Go becomes. Okay, Mukhlis?
The children don't feel well. They shouldn't
Yeah, shouldn't.
go to school today.
Very good, Mukhlis. Thank you. Shouldn't to go. Number 4. Okay, Muhammad?
If you don't understand, you shouldn't ask the teacher.
Shouldn't ask the teacher or should ask? You don't understand.
Should ask.
يبقى you should. ولا shouldn't?
Ask.
Yes.
No, should.
Should ask. Yeah, very good. Thank you, Muhammad. Should ask. Number 5. The parade starts at 11 o'clock. What time? What time this question? So we start with should we leave? Should we leave? Okay. Here we put the verb after the subject. نحط الفعل هنا بعد الفاعل لأن ده سؤال. Drivers cell phones when they are driving. Cell phone يبقى shouldn't use. I have an idea. We should decorate the room with balloons. Thanks for inviting me. What should I bring? How about a cake? Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you next lesson. Inshallah. Goodbye.